Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how to use turmeric for weight loss, its goodness, few facts about the same, which follows with an easy recipe. Let us start. There are various ways turmeric can be useful in losing a considerable amount of weight. To shed off that extra pound, you can have a cup of turmeric tea by adding 1 or 2 pieces of turmeric. Adding turmeric to curries, desserts and rice dishes can give several health benefits. It is the right ingredient to add to the delicacies to make the dish delicious and beneficial for health. It is excellent to have turmeric tea as part of the diet, which helps in rejuvenating health and well-being. Having turmeric in the right way can help in reducing weight too. Now let us see how turmeric works for weight loss. Turmeric is a suitable ingredient that helps in breaking down the amount of fat present in the body. It can regulate the metabolic activities of the organs. It is the right ingredient to help in curbing the excess amount of weight. Turmeric can work by restraining the fat tissues that helps to reduce inflammation in the process. It is the weight loss miracle to be there in every meal. At the same time, you also need to create a calorie deficit if you feel the necessity to lose weight. Now let us note few facts about turmeric. It is a perennial herb and anti-inflammatory agent to help to soothe the inner part of the stomach. Turmeric can help treating the problems of constipation, irritable bowel movements and cramping. A high dosage of turmeric can cause an increased heartbeat. It can even cause allergic reactions leading to breathing difficulties. Therefore, the recommendation is to have an apt dosage of the herb regularly. Now let us prepare a turmeric tea that is good for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, Ceylon cinnamon powder 1/8 teaspoon, mint leaves or holy basil leaves 1 teaspoon and water 1 cup. Note down the method please. Firstly, boil water in a pan. Add turmeric powder, cinnamon powder and mint or basil leaves to it. Boil it for a few minutes on low flame. Turn off the stove and let it cool for some time. Transfer it into a glass and drink. I hope the information on your must-have spice turmeric was beneficial for you and would love to include turmeric tea for weight loss to shed the extra pounds and remain healthy. Thank you.